In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio player to your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to engage your customers, whether you're offering podcasts, music samples, or any other audio content. So, let's dive in and make your Shopify store more dynamic and interactive. First, open your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Online Store section. Then, look for the Themes option and click on it. This will bring you to a page where all your current themes are displayed. Choose the theme you're currently using or the one you want to modify. Once you have located it, click on Customize to enter the theme editor. Now, you'll find yourself in the theme customization interface. This is where all the magic happens. On the left sidebar, you should see a Sections tab. Click on it. Here, you'll decide where you want your audio player to appear. Whether it's on your home page, a product page, or elsewhere, select the specific type of page from the available options. Next, head over to the Add Section button. This will allow you to incorporate a new section to your chosen page. This part is crucial. You need to find an app or a block that supports audio. If your theme doesn't provide one directly, you can utilize apps from the Shopify App Store that are specifically designed for audio players. The Shopify App Store has a variety of audio player apps to choose from. Some are free, while others may require a small fee, depending on your needs. Once you've picked a suitable app, install it into your Shopify store. After installation, you might need to follow specific setup instructions provided by the app, which typically involves pasting a bit of code into your theme. This might sound intimidating, but most apps offer very detailed instructions, making the process straightforward. After you've successfully set it up, you'll want to customize the player settings to match your store's look and feel. This includes selecting colors, button styles, and any other visual elements. Customize it so that it integrates smoothly with your brand aesthetic. Remember, the easier it is for visitors to use, the better their experience will be. Before taking your newly added audio player live, test it thoroughly. Navigate to your Shopify store front end and see how the audio player looks and functions. Make sure it's operational on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring a seamless experience for all users. Once you've confirmed everything works smoothly, it's time to hit the Save button. Return to your Shopify store and refresh your page. Your audio player should now be up and running, ready to offer a unique audio experience to your customers. Adding an audio player can truly enhance user engagement on your site and open up new ways to communicate with your audience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I wish you the best of luck with your Shopify store.